NutriBurst was one of the original products that this company started out with, and it's all the vitamins that you're going to need in a tablespoon a day in liquid form. It consists of 72 minerals, 12 herbs, 19 amino acids, 13 whole food grains, 22 fruit and vegetables, and many powerful multifibers. Now listen carefully, because this is the most important part. 98% of the nutrition is absorbed on a cellular level. That is huge. And so what that means is that your body will absorb 98% of the nutrition of this product. Powerful, right? So for all of you that have those vitamin bottles like I did in your cupboard, and you know who you are, throw them out, because all of those have a maximum of a 30% absorption rate. And that means that 70% or more is going to waste. Going to waste. This also means that you're losing a lot of money. So guys, I take this product. This product is perfect for your kids. My friends take this product. It's just amazing.